Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you just saw our Stampin' Club video for the month, and guess what? Let me just tell you, there are so many awesome add-ons for that Stampin' Die set. So let's just jump in. I'm going to show you originally, so just a heads up, a refresher, the Camper to Stamp is our Stampin' Die Hard for this month, and there are tons and tons of add-ons. You might have seen some in the video. Are you ready? Here are, let's show these first. First of all, we have the truck. Now the truck is really fun, truck to stamp. It comes with the tree, it comes with some flowers. You might have the big version of this in 5x7, the fold it. But look at how awesome this is. We have some cute little extra Christmas lights for our camper. We have welcome, road trip, say yes to new adventures. You can go anywhere, a small hello, just a little pick me up, get it, pick up, and happy trails, really tiny. Now of course, yes, you know me, come on, there are dies that match. Perfect, right? So those are two of the add-ons. Then I came up with so many words, I could not stand it. So I have lots of words on this one. This is Words for Campers, and I have Never Stop Exploring, Adventure is Coming, Wild One, Let's Go Camping, Wishing You, Wild Birthday Adventures, or a campy birthday. It's time to explore. All good things are wild and free. Wild and free is the way to be. Take a break, take a hike. If you're not a happy camper, take a hike. A campy birthday, lots of fun things, right? Okay, now you also, chances are, saw the fun die words that said, I'm a happy camper. Now, yes, they come with a shadow die for each of the words, but look how fun that is. I'm a happy camper. The cool thing about it is all of the words are separate, so you can put them anywhere you want on your cards, which is really versatile, because if you just want to say, I'm a camper, you can say that if you want. You can say happy camper without saying I'm a. So lots of options on those words and the shadow dies, right? Then, I know, I told you there was a lot, because a camper kind of has to have a happy retirement. So here is a sample of the happy retirement. You can use it with or without the camper. Here it is without. Look at that fun circle background. Absolutely love it. Of course, it has the shadows. So fun, and I have more samples, don't worry. Then we have, dun, 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 dun. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one. This is the Cactus Fold-it, one of the fold-its I used for my twins' second Taco Tuesday birthday party in February. So here we go. We have the Cactus Fold-it. This is mini slimline size for a fold-it. And of course, you know me, lots of samples. Now, are you ready? Lastly, is probably my favorite, just because it's something different. It's something fun. And I've had the cactus for a long time, so you know I'm kind of over the newness of that, but it's new for you, so that's good. Are you ready? This is called Moon and Stars Tri Background Die. Now, what does that mean, right? Well, let me show you. Here, let's find a good sample. Here is a sample of it cut out, and I'm going to zoom in on this one because I really want you to see the background. Notice the stars are on top, then you have the swirls, then this one just has dirt, so that one doesn't count. But look at this die. It has stars and a moon on the top, then it has swirls, and then it has a little fence or a little cobblestone, and it is so fun. So what I did was I actually die cut it so you could see what it looks like to piece it together. So here's the little cobblestone. Do you have to use all of these pieces together? No. For example, here we didn't, right? Here we didn't. Here's one where we did. We used all three layers for that camper background. Isn't that adorable? I know, it's so fun. Now, here's the little guy right here. Here's the moon and stars. Now, you're thinking, wow, Stephanie, that's really cool, but gosh, I wish I could trade out a different insert for the center one. Guess what, my friends? More are coming. That's right. More layering dies that will fit. So what if you don't want the swirls on this card? Well, guess what? Eventually, we will have other dies that will literally fit right on the inside. I know. It's awesome. They're called the Try backgrounds. Because try, remember 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have lots more of these, so hold on to your socks. Let me just tell you. Okay, so let's jump in and look at some samples. Here's a cute one just using the cobblestone wall, cobblestone fence. Wall. I guess it's not a fence, it's a wall. Look at how cute that is just in the background. Happy fall. Here's a cute one behind the camper. This is using extra stars. And, they did the spirals in the background and then glued stars to the background. Here's another one, exact same dies. Look at this, you guys. Look at this, exact same dies. Just different colors. Look at that, just different colors. We need to take a moment because sometimes people are like, I don't know how versatile that is. Look at these. Could not be more different, am I right? Exact same products. Exact same products. It's so fun. Okay, let's look at some more. Here I am. I'm a happy camper with our Z-fold card. So fun. Here's a cute one. I'm a happy camper. Notice how different those words can be. This one is on an A2, an A1 double Z. This one is like in a little kind of arch. So fun. Here's one using those where it's all over the place. I'm a happy camper. Or you can have it just at the top. Lots and lots of options. Here's one, happy, bravo it says, I love that, bravo. Happy retirement, yay! Don't you love that? Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one with the cactus in the background. Look, big cactus in the background. All good things are wild and free. Look at all those fun Christmas lights. Now, they're not necessarily Christmas lights because literally you could just hang white lights any time of the year, right? So that's really fun. Now, let's look at this fun cactus. I love this cactus because it also has the little like spiky dies, so it just kind of makes that little imprint, which is really fun and adds a lot of character. Here's a cute one on a card, so you don't even have to make it a fold-it, you can just make it a die with our extra cacti, which is really fun. Open that up, we miss you. So fun. Here's some more cacti, I guess that's what we gotta say, right? So here's a cute one. There's another one. It does come with the rocks. It does come with the rocks, so you'll be able to see. Let me show you that just really quick so you can see that again. Oh, where'd my die go? Oh, here it is. So it does come with the little rocks, so you can add those fun rocks, which is kind of nice because then it just makes it have like a little bottom. Here's a cute one using the more succulents to stamp and the tortie to stamp and dies, which are really cute. See the little tortoise down there? Tortoises love the desert and cactus love the desert. Here's a cute one with our little truck. Love it. I've been wanting to do that truck for a long time in stamp version, small version, because I just love that truck so much. So I was able to incorporate it. Here's one of those try backgrounds again. So cute, just a little pick-me-up, and I love that try background. Now let's look at the Slimlines. Chances are you might have seen these in the last video, but here we go. The truck with the camper, perfect Slimline option, right? Boom. There's another one, I'm a happy camper. You gotta love that one, right? Here's another one, holiday wishes. 2 different holidays, same dies. Isn't that awesome? Same dies, so versatile. Here's a cute one that's painted like watercolors. And here's a cute one, wishing you a campy birthday. My friends, club members, yes, of course you're getting the club discount on these. And, drum roll, if you are watching this the day we release these items, guess what? These items are on flash sale. What does that mean? That means for 24 hours, the first 24 hours they're on our website. And you will get, 24 hours on our website, the first 24 hours or until they sell out, you will get a flash sale price, which is lower than regular price. Club members, then you get the club discount on top of that, so you get to double dip on those discounts, and that means you're saving even more. So make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Always mark your calendars for our release days because you want to get in on those flash sales because they're pretty awesome. Because after 24 hours or when they sell out, they go to regular price the rest of the time they're on our website. But you still get your club discount, so at least that's good, right? Thank you so much. If I went too fast on these, which I know I do, I always do, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on gallery, and you can see all of these awesome samples up close and personal. You can even like them, you can favorite them, you can share them. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.